On today's video, we're going to be pulling the LS oil pan off this engine and putting the aftermarket one on it. We're going to put this into a 70s Camaro, and you know, the truck pan is too much for it, so we're going to change that so it don't drag the ground and bust it and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. If you enjoy this or find it helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, get subscribed if you're new. So when changing your oil pan, you're going to need to drain your oil out of your engine. So go ahead and drain it. We got a drain pan down here. We're going to just crack it and let the oil just drip down. They do make pans that go on the engine stand, but this is what we got, and that's how we're going to drain it. So drain your oil too. Should be common knowledge you need to drain your oil. So to remove your oil pan, you got these bolts all the way around it that will need to be removed. And don't forget, on the main back here, you got bolts too, two of them, and they super long. So go ahead and remove your bolts, and then your oil pan will pop right off. We're using the impact, but you can use a hand, ratchet. Just make sure it's on loosen, because if you take an impact to this and over tighten it, you can strip your bolts. You don't want that, trust me. You don't want no stripped oil pan bolts. So once your oil pan is off, this is what basically you got. You got a windage tray and an oil pickup tube. Well, most likely you have to cut down this windage tray, but we get to that. You will need to remove this one little bolt here, and I think it's 8mm. Go ahead and remove it. It might not be an 8, might be a 10. What's that, a 10?
Mm-hmm.
It's a 10mm, guys. Go ahead and remove that, and then you got one that holds the oil pickup tube on here, and one down below, right there. You get those two loosened, you can pull your pickup tube out.
You shouldn't fall out.
Now when you pull on it, make sure you pull straight and out. It's got an O-ring. Make sure it comes out with your oil thing. If not, it sticks in there and you gotta take a little pick and get it out. Did it stay?
Yeah.
It stayed in. Like that it comes. Now, depending on the way your shaft is on your pickup tube, I said shaft, will depend on the O-ring you need. So your new pan should come with a O-ring and a pickup tube if you bought it aftermarket like we did. We'll show you what happens next after we change this timing chain. That's another video. Get subscribed if that's something you're interested in or enjoying this video so far. But we get back on the oil pan in just a moment. So we got a new timing chain in. If you ain't seen that video, it should be up on the channel soon, or if it is already on the channel, go check it out. We installed the timing chain. We got the cover lined up. We got the car pulley here. We had the truck pulleys on it. If you've seen this motor before in other videos, we replaced that. So what we're doing now is going to go ahead and clean the surface off where our gaskets mate. We're going to test fit a pan, the aftermarket one, and see if this windage tray needs cut. Which most likely it will. It might not though. If it don't, we ain't worried about it. Make sure your pickup tube fits pretty good before you even go any further. All you have to do is just test fit it in. Now you don't have to put a gasket on it. This one fits great. As you can see, looks extremely good. We ain't gonna have no fitment issues with it, so we can remove that. And now time to check the oil pan. It fit with the windage tray? There ain't no way. It fit. Mm-hmm. You shitting me? Huh. Most of these I've seen you had to cut down.
The gasket too got going.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we good then. That fits. That's new. I guess for it's bailed out, this style oil pan. I think in the description I got an unboxing video on it in case you might be interested in it.
That can be different. Yeah. Over here, I'm saying though.
So they hunting for the new gaskets, but what we need to do next is put the pickup tube in. So this kit did come with new pickup tube bolts and O-ring for it. It did come with a block-off plate, some adapters, oil pan bolt, all the oil pan hardware. It's a great kit and it wasn't that expensive. So what we're doing now is priming the oil pump. We can prime it other ways too, but this is the fastest way. So now the pickup tube just mashes straight down.
What's going on?
Just like so. where you put some used oil also in the O-ring. Now we're going to start our bolts and torque them down to specs. Now you can put Loctite on these if you want to. It just depends if you're worried about it. While we're getting these just snug down, gasket starting, these do got torque specs. Follow your torque specs. I think it's 18 foot-pounds. Do your own research because I ain't 100%, but I'm pretty sure it is. We got this little plate here. We are in Sutton hit too. It's 18 pounds, I think. So we got 2 torque wrenches out. We're tightening everything down. This tightens to 40. These tighten to 18 right here. The oil pan is on. We went ahead and just cleaned the block off and scuffed it up some. We're getting ready to paint this block in an upcoming video. We actually got a 6.0 we're going to be painting too. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you want to see them videos, we done got one painted and shoved it in a 3rd gen Camaro. That's on the channel too. But the oil pan fits great. A link in the description to the unboxing video, which has more details about that oil pan if that's something you're interested in. So thank you for watching. We're getting ready to spray some etching primer now, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.